My bad, I didn't know I had the camera facing me. So I just got back from taking this on a test drive, and I noticed the temperature meter going up.
Rolling down the street in my old school whip, blew the brains out just to make the paint sick. Rims cleaned up, bass turned up, paint job clean.
What up, everybody, and welcome back to Whips by Blue. As you can see, the good news is we finally got some good weather out here. The bad news is, as you've seen from the previous clip, we got some mechanical issues going on with Goldilocks back here. So, in this episode, shit, I forgot. Okay, so in this episode, we're gonna find out. Damn it, I'm still. We also got to check engine light on the dash, which I didn't see before. I don't remember seeing it if it was. So we're gonna run a scanner on that, find out what's going on, and then after that, we're gonna proceed to take this car on apart, take all these bad body parts off, find out where the leak coming from on the radiator, and then we go on part shopping after that. Plain and simple. All right. And this door be sticking, but pull on it hard enough, it'll come open. Okay. So we got our car getting up to operating temp. Last time I did test drive it, I seen that check engine light was flashing, and it was shaking a little bit. And I'm going to show you what codes come up in a minute. We also got a TPMS sensor on right there because one of the tires, I believe, is low. And let me hook this scanner up that I got in my little handy dandy box, and we'll pull the codes real quick. All right, so I got it plugged in down here up under the dash. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, right there. Bam. All right. Got my scanner on. I don't know if the car's supposed to be on or off. But I guess we'll find out if it even matters. LOBD. Okay. Read codes. Current DTCs. Okay. So we got a P0496 for evap system. Not really worried about that. Biggie. Pending DTCs. Let's check that. There we go. P0306. Cylinder 6 misfire detected. Gotta make sense why the check engine light was flashing. Got a little shudder earlier. Could be a faulty spark plug, fuel injector, ignition coil. Fuel injector or harness. A circuit, ignition coil harness, ignition. Okay. Or insufficient cylinder 6 compression or fuel pressure intake lid. Hopefully it ain't none of that shit. I think it's gonna be something simple because, like I said, I drove this car. She drove good. The heat was working, but once it got warmer, that temp got close to the H, like that bar right before the H. Then I didn't feel no heat. Pulled up, jumped out, and that's when you seen all the coolant leaking out the radiator. So it made perfect sense why we wouldn't have no heat no more. And as far as this misfire, we're gonna find out what's going on with that. It could just be a bad plug or a coil. We'll figure it out. So I'll holler at y'all guys in a minute. I'm gonna get this car set up so we can get this thing going. All right, boom. Like Day said, nigga, I got action. Here we go. There our cooling right there. Passenger side. Oh, try to get down there. I don't see nothing damaged either, so I don't know exactly where the gun is from. You all see? Alright, let me turn this baby off. She getting pissed off. Oh yeah. Y'all see the temperature climbing up now? Yep. Like I said, it ain't shuddering no more either. It still sound good, so we'll figure it out. Alright. Look at this. You got more proof that this was definitely a deer. And it's in the door. Still got deer fur in the dent. Damn. So maybe they smacked a deer and then the other deer ran into the door, is what I'm thinking. Sheesh. A little closer at the damage over here. Usually it'd be deer fur stuck up in these areas. But I don't see any this time. Other than that door. There go what's left of this motherfucking headlight. Pieces. Ain't that crazy? That's all that's left of it. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, got little fragments down there. Yep. Insane. They hit the shit out that dude. I know that. Excuse my language. Let me get off of here. Whew, I'm tired of shit, y'all. This shit was on here. Man, them the tightest lug nuts I ever had to get off manually. Man, these suckers was in there. See, y'all seen I had to use my bar from my jack. Put on there. But yep. Now I got full access to get this bumper off. See where all the tabs. Damn, this shit look just like the Acadia, yo. Got this side done. Yep. I like to throw my cars up in the air, man, so I can get all up under there or in as far as I can. When it comes to taking this stuff apart, see if I can see anything up in here now. Man, it's wet all up under this radiator. Still can't see exactly where it's coming from though. Y'all see that? I'll take all this shit out. Man. Yep. But yeah, it don't look hard to. Hey, at least it didn't touch the condenser, it looked like. Hopefully not. Yeah, that's the radiator. There's the condenser up front. Okay. Alrighty. How we looking up under there? Turn around sideways. No stolen cats on this one. Shout out to Coke Park. Always taking good care of me. Get this. Finally got this mug, y'all. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all. All right. Yep, so luckily I didn't have to take none of this inner fender off on the passenger side and just pop all them push pins off. And there was a bolt up under here. That's where it pushed the bumper side, push into. Then I had to get up under there to get that thing off. Whole bunch of bolts and push pins all on the top here. Headlight, there was barely nothing of it. So that was nothing. Then you got your fender here. We stand back. And the fender's gone. Well, half of it at least. I got the front part off right here. Let me see. There was a hidden bolt up in this area. Yeah, there we go. See if you can see that. Hidden up under this little rubber piece. Bam. That was the last bolt that was holding it on. Oh, and then this stupid shit here. Check this out. I had to unhook all this wiring harness piece that had to go through the, I know y'all seen me struggling with that. To fish up out of there. Just for the fender to finally detach from the body after I got all the bolts out. Surprisingly, the door came out with no problem. 4 bolts. That's another fender bolt right there. With your wiring harness connecting. So it easily came off. Oh yeah, and that fender also got 2 more bolts down there up under here. So a lot of bolts that you can't see until you get up under stuff and look in front of stuff, look behind shit. Oh yeah, this was another fender bolt. So yeah, man. And by the way, this door is heavy as shit. It was heavy as shit. But yeah, man. Got it up out of there. I'm gonna salvage this mirror, this window, maybe this door handle, and definitely the inner part of this door, though. What you call this shit, the door panel. Definitely gonna salvage that. Here go the front. Part where the bolts at to the, where the door bolts at to the frame. Right there. Give you a wiring harness connector. Get all your power in the door. Man. All the rest of the pieces of the headlight. Man. And yeah. There go everything we gotta replace. What's left of the bumper. What's left of the fender. So inner fender, that's good. This part goes right on top of the engine right here. That's still good. The rest of it's garbage. My shadow ain't doing no justice. Alright. Y'all good look. Oh shit. I'm about to fall. There we go. All disassembled. Only took a day. Less than that, really. Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm about to wrap it up here, man. And next video, we're gonna be heading to the junkyard, so I'll let y'all in the next one. Peace.
Rolling down the street in my old school whip. Blew the brains out just to make the haters sick. Rims cleaned up, bass turned up, paint job clean.